Hey, do you want to be like this guy that posted a YouTube short on a brand new channel and got 231,000 views on it? What about this channel posting only 60-second YouTube shorts that just started and is now getting 2.2 million views the last 30 days? Or what about this channel getting 23 million views the last 30 days? You can do this without being on camera. You can do this without any investment for free. And you can do this even if you have no skills or experience. So, because YouTube just announced a $100 million fund to reward top YouTube short creators over 2021 and 2022. So, you should stay on this video to the end because I'm going to show you 3 channels getting hundreds of thousands of views with YouTube shorts, exactly how you can do this step by step for free anywhere in the world, even if you never made a single YouTube short before. And if the $100 million that YouTube will give you isn't enough for you, I'll give you 2 bonus ways to monetize your YouTube shorts so you can make money on YouTube even easier and faster. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make over $10,000 per month copy and pasting videos on YouTube shorts without making videos. First, I'll show you an overview of some example channels doing this, and then I'll break it down step by step so you can make money on YouTube in the easiest and fastest way. Okay, look at this channel, Tofu the Corgi. 54 uploads, and as you can see, 2.2 million views the last 30 days. And Social Blade estimates that they're making this amount of money, but YouTube Shorts, unfortunately, right now doesn't pay any ad revenue. But I'll show you how to bypass this at the end of the video with the 2 bonus monetization strategies so you can make money starting from day 1. But as you can see, they're completely blowing up right now, 300,000 views, and what they're making content about is this cute little corgi, like 10-second videos, and they're posting videos like corgi puppy slide, everybody wants a corgi until, our first corgi puppy video, pretending to put my corgi on a diet, and these sorts of videos. And the crazy part is that they started posting videos 3 months ago. So as you can see, 3 months ago they started posting all these shorts. They only uploaded about 50 of them, and now they're making quite a bit of money from this right here. Now the second channel I wanted to show you is cute animal videos. And as you can see, if we go to Social Blade, they have actually set their channel to private, so we can't really see much stats going on. But if we click on this about, we can see that they got over 800 million views on this channel in total. And they joined about 5 months ago, so that's pretty crazy. Now what they're making videos about is cute and funny dogs, smart dogs, cute and funny cat videos, cute and funny dog video compilations, all really short videos, and they're getting, as you can see, quite a bit of views, posting like 2 videos each and every day. Their most popular video actually got 107 million views in 3 months ago, and they're not even making the videos themselves, and I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a second. The last channel is this one called 60 Formula. Now this channel is getting 23 million views the last 30 days. Now these are not only posting shorts, they're also mixing it in with original YouTube content, but it's mainly focused around their dog. You can see 400, 600,000 views each and every day, and this is the type of content they're producing. So Husky reacts to weird mango fruit, Fluffy Husky loves to dig, and they just recently started posting a lot of YouTube shorts, as you can see. This one has a 1 million views 3 months ago, 100,000 views. This one, 1 million views right here, 2 million views. People love Huskies, and these guys are doing such a great job making these YouTube shorts, and they're not even having a thumbnail, as you can see. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how to make videos like this, even if you don't have a dog, even if you've never made a single YouTube video before. But before that, drop a like on this video. You can enter to win a $1,000 course, and make sure you stay to the end to not miss out. Step number 1, go to youtube.com. Here, just click in the search bar and search for funny dog. Here you can see these cute dog videos, funny dog videos getting, 29 million views. But we're gonna click on filters and then click on Creative Commons. If you don't know what Creative Commons means, is by marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. This is from YouTube itself right here. And also, if you're wondering about can I monetize this content, you can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license agreements grants you the rights to use it commercially. Sometimes right owners require you to credit the creator of the content or give proof of purchase to use it in your video for commercial purposes. That's why I recommend you to do the same as this channel, Daily Dose of Internet, that has links to the original creator. Step number 2, download the footage. So we can go on this video right here, for example. Oh my god, super cute. Click and copy link address. Then search YouTube downloader into Google and click on the first one. Paste your link in here, click on convert, get link, and download. Now you can see that it's downloading right here. Step number 3, go to canva.com. Canva is a free video editor that you can use on desktop. All you need to do is make an account with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now, once you're inside, just click on create a design. You can search for ad. Here, you need to click on this story ad right here. Now, all you need to do is drag the downloaded video directly onto this canvas. Then we are going to drag it out and make it look aspect ratio right here and make sure that it's completely centered. Then, just click on it, select this clip right here, and then we're gonna pull it all the way back because this is a compilation. We're gonna make it a little bit shorter and make sure that it's all the way at the end here. There we go. It will be a 13-second video. Now just click on download, and then MP4 is the best. On download right here. Now it's rendering and it will take about a minute. Step number 4, upload the video. Just go to YouTube and click on this create button and upload video. Now we can just upload this video right here. Now we have to make a title. And if we're watching this video, it does seem like the dog breed is like a Labrador or maybe like a Golden Retriever. So maybe like this, Golden Retriever puppy saved from falling in water. And to make it a short, we have to add short in here. You can also add shorts in the description, and this tells the YouTube algorithm to add it to YouTube Short. We're gonna put it right in here. Then we need something very important, and that is to give credit to the original work. So we're gonna go back to this and copy that link and then post that link directly in here. And then we gotta add licensed under Creative Commons by attribution, a link to the creativecommons.org website that says you are free to share, copy, and distribute the material in any medium or format. And also, for any copyright concerns, contact us at our email address, your@email.com. We will act upon your query immediately. But like I said in the beginning of this video, there are 2 ways that you can monetize this channel that will make you way more money with these 2 simple links in the description. Right after you smash that like button up to 2,000 likes. Thank you so much. Step number 5, do affiliate marketing. Just go to clickbank.com. Here you can make a free account. Just select your country, first name, last name, email, and all that, and then join ClickBank. Now that you're on the inside, you can see hundreds of different affiliate products that you can promote and make money with. Just search for dog right here and sort results by gravity. This means highest selling. This one is called Brain Training for Dogs, which features 21 games to improve a dog's intelligence and behavior. All you need to do is click on promote, enter your account nickname, and then this is your affiliate link. You will make 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. And that is an average of $31. So if you put this link in the description, you will make an average of $31 if people decide to buy it through the link in the description. But I think that link is a little bit ugly, so we're gonna go to bit.ly.com, put your long ugly link in here, click on shorten, and here you have a nice little short link that you can put in the description. Just paste that right in here and add the call to action. Get 21 games to improve your dog's intelligence. Step number 6, go to teespring.com. This is a website that makes merch selling extremely easy. You don't have to do any of the selling. They will print out all the search for you, and you can also have hats, bags, cups, mugs, all of that stuff, and it's all taken care for you, and they will just take a percentage of the sale. Just click on start designing in the top right, make your account, continue with Google, and now we can start designing a product. Just click on start designing up in the top right. Let's go with a men's staple tee, go to pixabay.com. Here, just search for corgi, and here you can see all these beautiful little images. I quite like this for a t-shirt design, and here you can see the license is free for commercial use, no attribution required. So that's happy days for us. Just click on free download, make sure it's a PNG, and then download that. On Teespring, click add image. I love this little guy. Let's add some text like corgi cube. I don't know, you guys can be more creative than this, I guess. Now we can select a cool little font. I mean, that looks pretty alright, I think. And here you can set your price. I definitely think having the t-shirt at about $25, you will get an $8 profit per sale because it's a custom t-shirt. And then we can click on continue. Here you can see that you can add it on unisex/men, women's t-shirts, long sleeve tee, even like this bag right here. You can even put it on a mask if you want, some leggings, and you can add all of that to your store. Then click on continue, add a little description, and then publish your listing. Now just copy this link right here, and they can select either woman or male shirt, and then paste that link right in here with the call to action, cutest dog t-shirt.
Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. This is a super simple strategy that's going to allow you to make some really good money online. But don't go anywhere. I've got another fantastic video over here that you can watch right now of another strategy that's going to allow you to make even more money. Thank you so much for watching, guys.